Welcome to Euron, guys, and my name is Tanshu Kumar. I'm a founder of Euron. Euron is a platform which provides upskilling and reskilling capabilities to everyone. Whether you are a college fresher, maybe a dropout, maybe you are in school, maybe you are a working professional working as a fresher, or maybe on a managerial position, on a director position. So yes, Euron is a platform where you can reskill yourself, upskill yourself with an affordability. When I'm talking about affordability, I'm talking about a very super affordability or super affordable price. You don't have to pay a hefty amount. And we have launched so many features inside this Euron. So here in this particular video, I'm going to talk about one of this feature called as Euron org. Let's suppose you are running a college, maybe you are managing a team, maybe you are in school. So you are a school. So obviously you have to upskill or reskill your team, maybe your students continuously again and again and again. And it's the need of an hour. We can't avoid it, right? So students or maybe your team has to go outside and buy some courses with a huge amount, maybe a 20,000, maybe a 50,000, maybe a lakh or 2 lakh rupees. And they try to reskill and upskill themselves. So why to pay that much of amount when something is available with a super affordable price? So you can reward your team because in every company there is a R&R ceremony, right? Reward and recognition. So maybe from next time you can try to reward your team with this Euron org plan where they will be able to access each and every reskilling, upskilling courses is up as of now in tech, obviously going forward. So we are planning for a non-tech as well. But as of now in tech, we are providing live courses, we are providing a recorded one, we are providing books and handbooks, we are providing a dedicated project in a particular domain. And as of now, we have a limited number of courses or projects or maybe books available over here. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. So yes, anyone can come over here and buy individual courses, books or projects. But as an organization, as a school, as a college, you can try to give an access to this entire Euron, whatever we have available on a Euron, just with a single price, which is a 1500 per seat or per license per year, right? So that is where Euron org comes into a picture. So minimum number of licenses that you can take at a time is 5. Again, if you would like to explore more about me, please follow me on this founder story page and you will be able to know about me, my past experience, what I have done in last 10 years. Each and everything is mentioned over here, my achievement, and again, all entire experience you all will be able to find out in this particular place. So here, the whole idea behind creating this Euron org is very simple, that try to equip an organization, maybe a college, schools, or maybe like a company, in a way that your team or your students will be able to get themselves updated with a latest trend, a latest technology. Apart from this, this is not the only part. So yes, courses, books, projects and live, all these things we are providing. But apart from that, we are giving you, under this plan, we are giving you an access of Euron Assist. I believe most of your team member or your students are already using some of the chat GPT kind of system, maybe a Gemini, maybe a Cloud, maybe a Perplexity, or maybe a chat GPT itself. And again, you have to pay $20, or maybe they have to pay $20 per month, $240 per year, which is a very huge amount. And most of us will not even allow them as a team, as an organization. But here with the same plan, with the same Euron org plan, 1500 per seat plan, you all will be able to access even this Euron Assist, where your team can leverage all kind of capabilities of LLM or whatever you will be able to access on ChatGPT, Perplexity, Cloud or Gemini or any other such platforms. So here you won't have to pay extra. You won't have to pay like a $20 separately, right? Within the same plan, within the same 1500 rupees per seat, your team will be having an access of each and everything. So when they are trying to do a coding, when they are trying to do a debugging, when they're trying to learn or explore a new things, Euron Assist is there with them with unlimited access 24 by 7. And yes, you can give them this reward. So hope your team is going to feel very, very happy once they will be having this kind of access. So hope I'm able to explain you this entire Euron orgs. It's very simple. Just go over there, click, enroll, take a number of seats, done. Now, once you are going to enroll or take a number of seats, as an admin, let's suppose someone from your team is going to manage or maintain the entire seat. So you all will be able to, your admin can come to the profile part, and then there will be a Euron org tab. Your team member or your admin will be able to see, your HR will be able to see. And here you will be able to see your license. You can allocate this license to anyone you want. Anyone means literally anyone you want. You can just allocate or maybe deallocate of this particular license. Again, let's suppose if you have a huge team, right? And if you'd like to give an access. So again, we have given you a bulk invite as well. Not just that. So here, let's suppose your team is trying to reskill or your team is trying to upskill. You will be able to see as an admin, only as an admin, not as a member. So you will be able to see and stats of your team member or maybe your students, that how much they have learned, which course they are trying to learn, each and every kind of a stats you as an admin will be able to see, will be able to explore under this Euron org profile section. So this is how easy it is. So just allocate a license, maybe by doing it individually or maybe just by giving a bulk upload, and that's it. And your team will be having an access of everything. And believe me, we are going to consistently update the courses. We are going to bring a courses in Hindi as well as in English. We are going to bring a courses in almost all the tech domain. As of now, I agree, the time when I'm creating this video, it's a launch day. So we have a limited number of courses, almost everything in data. So we have a big data courses, data science courses, data analytics courses. We have ML ops courses. We have Gen AI courses. You can go and check out the entire syllabus. It's literally amazing. So we have everything over here, but yeah, we'll keep on adding courses with respect to system design, data algorithm, web development, ops, DevOps, you can say blockchain, each and everything. All these courses you will be able to find out and your team will be able to access everything. Simple, right? So this is all about Euron org, guys. Hope all of you are going to love this offering, and all the directors, managers, HRs. Whether you're in college HR, or maybe a college principal, or maybe a director, dean, anyone you have, it's a humble request to everyone to explore this opportunity and let me know about your feedback. Obviously, we are looking for a feedback so that we can try to improve ourselves, and according to your need, believe me, we are going to give you a facility. So with that, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. So some love over here. So some, kind of a support over here, so that we all can grow together. We all can compete in this extremely competitive environment together, and we will be able to build together. Thank you so much, everyone.